Hello guys, so today we are going to review one device which is very best and which is very must to have in homes today. This is Wi-Fi range extender, or you can call it as Wi-Fi booster. So this is from Netgear. This is EXT61 something, the model name I'm telling you. So the cost of this device is around 2400 from Amazon or from Flipkart if you can get, and the printed rate is 33 or 39 something. So you can see this is next generation Wi-Fi. It has two bands, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. It is easy to install. This is having fast lane option as well, like if you want to increase the speed, it will speed up, and it gives a good connectivity inside your home. If your Wi-Fi router is somewhat away from your living area, from your room, so you can use this Wi-Fi booster, which is very best. And I'm using it for last almost 2 months and it is giving me perfect result. There are no issues because one of my television was away from the router, so I've used it and this is awesome guys. This is made in Vietnam. Let me tell you the country of origin. And this is from Netgear. Netgear is a good company. You are also aware of it and you can see all the specs. This is EX6110 This is the name of the model of this Wi-Fi booster. There are many more Wi-Fi boosters from Netgear, but this one which I'm using, this is very handy, very small and easy to use. Let me just open this. You will get one booster and one manual, nothing else apart from that. So see how handy it is. In my hand it is just like a ball size. So this is very handy, easy to use. You just need to plug in and there are four lights. There are three buttons at the left hand side and each and everything is mentioned clearly, very easy to set up. So I'll show you how you can set it up in your home, which can be very helpful for you to use. So there is one manual as well. So nothing else in the device and the manual. There are only two things in the box which is only required because there is no wire, nothing. You can directly plug into the board, electric board. This is the quick start guide. This is in many multiple languages available. If you have connected your Wi-Fi booster to the power outlet, and then you can proceed further for the other stuff. So this is the UI URL to access the Wi-Fi booster. So you need to go to the networks, whatever the network it is showing, so it will show the default SSID for the Wi-Fi booster. I've just plugged in my Wi-Fi device. So let us just scan for the Wi-Fi booster. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi booster. This has appeared. Now what I'll do, I will open this URL mywifi.ext.net, and this is the URL to access the Wi-Fi booster, and I'll show you quick setup. So this will open and it will not ask for any password because this is the default SSID. You need to click next, then you need to provide the password because no one else can access this. So you will give the password. I'm just giving the previous one, whatever I've done earlier. This is the one-time setup. You need to do it again and again. Okay, so provide few security questions. City, need to click next. So my laptop is working only on 2.4. It is not able to access 2.5 gigahertz. Okay, so now there are two options. Either it can connect automatically or you need to give select manually. So I'll do manually. Automatically anyone can do. Okay, you just need to click yes, and will ask you few options. You need to yes, and it will connect after giving the password. But I'll do manually. Okay, so in manual, what we need to do, we need to provide few things. We need to give input for the SSID and all. So I'm going for smart setup. it is scanning for the Wi-Fi. It will show you few Wi-Fi is available in the range, and then you can select the particular Wi-Fi whichever belongs to yours, and you need to provide password, and it will start working for you flawlessly. So there are many Wi-Fi's available, but mine is this one, and here also this one. So you need to select both separately, and then you need to provide password for both. So I'm giving password for both the networks. I'm doing next, and it will set it up in maximum 30-40 seconds, max to max, and will start working for you. So you have seen the name, you can see this is the name of the SSID it will be creating, or if you want to change the SSID name you can change it, but because this is my Wi-Fi and this is the band, so I'm not changing it. I'm taking it as it is. And the password, if you want to change from Wi-Fi password you can, otherwise I'm just selecting is same, whatever the Wi-Fi password, that will be the booster password as well. So once I'll do next, this will disappear, this Netgear ext will disappear from here, and the new SSID will appear. What was it? Varsha underscore 2G ext. So now my Wi-Fi is set it up completely and I can use it without any issue. So that's all guys, this is the very quick setup which you can do. So this is currently showing limited, so it takes hardly 1 minute or 30 seconds, and it will work. Once you are connected it will work in awesome way. So you can easily access if you are having few issues with the Wi-Fi speed, it will improve all. Okay, so I hope you like the easy video, easy setup. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.